Then if you have access to like the dictionary, or when I say the dictionary, even just the FANUC user manuals that tell you what each instruction does, like the programming manuals that tells you exactly what instruction does what and what its use case is. Now you can take that information and then train that into the AI, so that way the AI has the ability of understanding each command that you give the robot. That way it has the ability of understanding each command that the robot has, and also the syntax of those commands and the use case of those different commands. And it maybe even gives some examples of when you would want to use particular commands over another. Maybe some commands are similar to one another. There has been some people who have been able to do regular structured text languages with AI and generate code that was usable, workable code. I don't think it's that far off for being able to do something like that with like robots, or at least robots where you can, output the code, you can get the syntax, you're able to load in text files, or be able to convert them from a text file to the robot native language, or when I say native language, it's runtime code. That's another thing when it comes to like programming. Like whenever you code something, sometimes you have to generate what's called a runtime, which basically takes your codable version of a program and converts it into code that the system can operate more easily, more compact, shrinks the data. And again, this goes back to the back end of like the operating systems and stuff like that, where like the robot doesn't care like do this, do that, if this, then that. It doesn't care about those human words. It literally has like equations where each one of those things means something in the back end. Then through its algorithms, it's processing that code.